OneNote isn't just a basic note-taking tool. It's a productivity powerhouse if you know how to use it right. I should know, since I've worked with Microsoft Office tools, including OneNote, for over 10 years in corporate and consulting roles, and I've helped millions of people through my Microsoft tutorials here on YouTube. So in this video, I'll show you 9 powerful OneNote features that I use to stay organized, secure my notes, and save hours of time. Without further ado, let's start with the first tip I really love to use, and it's actually 2 in the same area: ink to text and math conversion. Let's talk about ink to text first. If you prefer handwriting your notes during brainstorming sessions or quick meetings, this feature lets you convert those scribbles into clean, editable text in just seconds. Here's how I use it. During client meetings, I'll jot down ideas on my tablet. Later, I convert the handwriting into text, making it easy to share with colleagues or refine into formal notes. To use this feature, you'll first need to access the stylus tools in OneNote. So open OneNote and go to the Draw tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Here you'll find pen options that let you write with the stylus or even your finger if you're using a touchscreen device. Choose a pen style, adjust the thickness or color if needed, and start writing directly on your OneNote page. Once you've handwritten your notes, highlight the text you want to convert. Right-click or use the ribbon menu and select Ink to Text. OneNote will instantly transform your handwriting into editable text that's ready to use or share. Now let's talk about math conversion, an absolute game changer if you work with numbers or equations. It's perfect for quick calculations, project budgets, or even helping with homework. To access the stylus tools for writing equations, again, head to the Draw tab in the ribbon, choose a pen style, and write your formula directly on the page. Once written, select the handwritten equation by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Right-click and choose Math, or click the Math button in the Draw tab on the ribbon. OneNote will display a dialog box where you can convert your handwritten formula into typed math. Taking ink to text one step further, let's move on to another feature I find incredibly helpful: extracting text from images. I mean, have you ever needed to pull information from a scanned document or an image and found yourself stuck typing it out manually? It's frustrating and time-consuming, right? And this is where OneNote's optical character recognition, or OCR, comes to the rescue. With this feature, you can extract text directly from images and make it editable or searchable in seconds. Here's how it works. First, insert your image into OneNote by going to the Insert tab and selecting Pictures, or just right-click and paste whatever you have in your clipboard. Once the image is in your notebook, right-click on it and choose Copy Text from Picture. OneNote will instantly extract all the text from the image and place it in your clipboard. You can then paste it wherever you need, into another section of your notebook or into a Word document, email, or whatsoever. This is perfect for pulling details from receipts, business cards, or even slides from a presentation. For example, I often use this feature during workshops to quickly grab points from a photographed flip chart and incorporate them into my notes. It's seamless, accurate, and a massive time saver. One of the reasons I love using OneNote is how easy it makes connecting my ideas, and this feature is a perfect example. Linking notes for instant cross-referencing has saved me so much time and frustration. Before I discovered it, I'd waste minutes scrolling back and forth between meeting notes and project plans, maybe searching, trying to piece everything together. But with this feature, I can jump straight to the information I need with just one click. So here's how it works. Let's say you've got a project plan in one section and detailed meeting notes in another. You can create a direct link between the two, so you're never scrambling to find what you need. To do this, just right-click on the page or paragraph you want to link and select Copy Link to Page or Copy Link to Paragraph. Paste the link wherever you need it in another note, and it instantly becomes a clickable reference. I use this feature all the time when my notes get a bit lengthy. For example, I create an agenda at the top of the page and link each item to its corresponding heading further down. This way, I can jump to any section of my notes instantly without endless scrolling. It keeps everything clear and helps me stay focused during meetings or while reviewing my notes later. And this feature makes OneNote feel super intuitive. Everything is organized, connected, and easy to navigate. Once you start using it, you'll see how much smoother your workflow becomes. Now, if you found these practical but powerful tips helpful so far and want even more beyond this video, sign up for my newsletter via the link in the description and start making real lasting progress today. Now let's talk about another feature that adds even more versatility to your notes: embedding audio notes. I rely on this feature whenever I need to capture information quickly and accurately. It's a game changer for internal meetings, brainstorming sessions, or even those moments when I'm working from home and inspiration strikes. Instead of scrambling to jot everything down, I record audio directly in OneNote, play it back later, and repurpose the content as needed. This feature has been a lifesaver for keeping my ideas organized, ensuring I don't miss a single detail, and making my notes more versatile than ever. While the quality of recording might vary depending on your device and how far away people are from the microphone, as well as how clearly they speak, it's still an incredibly helpful tool for keeping ideas organized and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. To record audio, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon and click Record Audio underneath Transcribe. OneNote will start recording immediately and embed the audio file directly into your page. You can take notes while recording, and if supported on your device, OneNote may even timestamp your notes to match the recording. However, keep in mind that the timestamps aren't available on all versions of this feature. Now let's talk about transcription, which takes this functionality to another level. With transcription, you can either upload an audio file or record something directly in OneNote. It's a fantastic option if you don't want or simply can't write during a meeting. The transcription feature does a good job of converting speech into text, but it's not perfect. If people aren't speaking clearly or there's a background noise, you might find a few typos or errors in the text. That said, it's still an incredibly useful way to capture discussions and turn them into actionable notes. You can access the transcription feature under the Insert tab by selecting Transcribe. Once you click on it, you'll have the option to either record audio directly or upload an existing file for transcription. I sometimes use transcription when I'm having team discussions or brainstorming sessions or listening to detailed client or team discussions. It saves me from worrying about taking notes in real time, allowing me to stay fully engaged. And later, I can go back and refine the transcription for clarity or pull out key points or follow-up tasks. If you have access to Microsoft Copilot, you can take your meeting transcription to the next level by having Copilot summarize the discussion and outline key takeaways or action items. But if Copilot isn't available in your version of OneNote, you can still achieve similar results by copying the transcription into tools like ChatGPT or using Copilot through the Microsoft Edge browser to generate a summary of your meeting notes. Now, here's a feature I use all the time to keep my notes structured and professional: page templates and custom layout. Whether you're taking meeting notes, planning a project, or organizing your personal tasks, templates can save you so much time by providing a consistent format. No more starting from scratch every time. You can just dive straight into your work. I really love using templates not only in OneNote but also in Outlook or PowerPoint, but that's another story. So OneNote offers several built-in templates such as to-do lists, meeting agendas, or even decorative pages. To access them, go to the Insert tab and select Page Templates. From there, you can browse the available options and apply one that fits your needs. It's a quick and easy way to give your notes a polished look. But what I like even better is the ability to create custom layouts. For example, I've set up different custom meeting note templates for different purposes, such as project to fix, board meetings, or whatsoever, with sections for the agenda, action items, and follow-ups. Once I created them, I saved them as a template so I could use them every time. This has been a game changer for keeping my notes consistent and making sure nothing gets overlooked. If you want to create your own template, start by designing a page layout exactly how you like it. Add headings, tables, checkboxes, whatever you need. Then go to the Insert tab, click Page Templates, such that the navigation bar on the right opens. At the bottom, you can see a button that says Save Current Page as Template. And once you click it, your template will be saved under a new template category saying My Templates. The next time you start a new note, you can select your custom template and hit the ground running. One thing to note is that templates aren't available in all versions of Notebook, so if you don't see the option, it may be worth exploring OneNote 2016 or Microsoft 365. The next tip I'm going to reveal is, in my opinion, one of the most underrated but most useful features in OneNote. If you've ever accidentally overwritten important information or lost changes while working on a shared notebook, this feature is your safety net. It saved me countless times when collaborating with others or revisiting older notes. So I'm talking about OneNote page versions and backup recovery. Here's how it works. OneNote automatically keeps a history of changes made to your pages so you can go back and view earlier versions anytime. To access this, right-click on the page and select Page Versions. Depending on the OneNote version you are working with, either a panel will open on the right or a list below your page will appear, showing a list of previous versions along with the dates, maybe times, and authors they were saved by. You can review, restore, or even merge all the content with your current notes. This feature is especially helpful in collaborative environments. For example, if you're working on a shared project and someone accidentally deletes or edits something crucial, you can simply restore an earlier version without any hassle. It's also great for tracking progress, as you can see how your notes or ideas have evolved over time. In addition to paged versions, OneNote also has a built-in backup system to protect your entire notebook. By default, OneNote periodically saves backups to your local drive. To ensure this is set up, go to File, Options, Save and Backup, and you can customize the backup frequency and location. If anything ever goes wrong, like a corrupted file or accidental deletion, you can easily recover your notes from those backups. It's worth noting that while page versions and backups are powerful tools, they're only as reliable as the settings you configure. I always recommend checking your backup settings to make sure your data is really being saved regularly. Another great OneNote feature is tagging for quick categorization. It's a simple and, I believe, underutilized but super powerful way to bring clarity and structure to your notes. It helps you prioritize tasks, highlight key points, and find important information quickly. Since OneNote is not the most flashy note-taking tool out there, tagging at least helps you to make your notes a bit more clear and structured. I use this feature all the time to stay organized and ensure nothing gets overlooked. So tags are visual markers you can add to any part of your notes. To use them, go to the Home tab. Click the Tag dropdown and choose options like To Do, Important, or Question. Either start with a tag or highlight an existing sentence, paragraph, or bullet and add the tag afterward. You can also create custom tags for your specific needs. For example, I've made tags for project stages like In Progress and Completed, which makes tracking tasks a breeze. To do that, go to the bottom of the tag dropdown and click Customize Tag. There you can add new or modify existing ones. And the best part, tags are searchable. Just type the tag name in the search bar and OneNote will pull up everything you've marked. I love using this during meetings to tag action items so I can filter and focus on them later. Now let's finish strong with OneNote's ability to embed rich media, one of my absolute favorite features. And yes, more or less all of the features are my favorite ones, but they're all great. So it transforms your notes from plain text into an engaging, interactive experience that makes it a lot easier to recall information. As a visual learner, this feature helps me retain information much better, and it also leaves a great impression when I share notes with others. By embedding rich media, you can make your notes not only more memorable, but also far more engaging and impactful. So whether I'm planning a project, reviewing materials, or brainstorming ideas, I love how this feature lets me bring everything together in one place. No more jumping between apps or searching through files. It's all right there, embedded directly into my notebook. Adding media is simple. For example, if you want to embed a video, go to the Insert tab and select Online Video. Paste the link and the video will appear right in your notes, ready to play. For files like PDFs or Word documents, just drag and drop them onto your page and OneNote will embed them instantly. You can even link live Excel sheets that update automatically as changes are made. Just go to the Insert tab and explore those different options under the Files area. I use this feature a lot when preparing training materials. For instance, I'll embed a tutorial video directly into my notes alongside step-by-step instructions and key points. This way, everything my team needs is in one place, making it easy for them to follow along without switching between multiple resources. It's a huge time saver and makes the content far more effective. Now that you've seen how OneNote offers so many powerful ways to enhance your note-taking, it's important to remember that these tips are just the beginning. There are plenty more strategies to master note-taking, ones that might not be as obvious or straightforward but can make a huge difference. So watch this video next, where I'll guide you through the ultimate best practices for creating notes that are clear, actionable, and easy to revisit whenever you need them.